Good afternoon, students, and welcome to pharmacognosy first lecture. We'll be discussing about marine pharmacognosy today. And I'm going to share my slide. Can you see my slide now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start. Marine drugs. Introduction. The drugs obtained from marine organisms, which are conventionally used like shark, cod liver oils, sodium alginate, agar-agar, and chitin, etc. So marine drugs are basically which we get from the marine source. है ना? So as I said, pharmacognosy is not just you have studied different sources of drug, right? आपने different sources of drugs में पढ़ा था about you get drugs from plants, you get drugs from animals, minerals, microorganisms as well as from marine source. So marine source means जो भी organism, जो भी drugs, जो भी मेडिसिनल वैल्यू की सब्सटेंस जो आपको ऐसे और नेचुरल एग्जिस्टिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म से मिले या नेचुरल एग्जिस्टिंग सब्सटेंसेस से मिले जो आपको मराइन से है ना समुद्र के इससे मिल रहे हो वो आती है हमारी मराइन प्रोग्नोसी में. Importance of marine drugs. Marine organisms are potential source for drug discovery. बहुत potential source है because they are because कहते हैं as everybody knows this, the 3/4 of the earth is covered with water and 1/4 is the land. So we have a very vast area for discovery है ना हमारे पास इतने vast है और हमें कई तो हमसे बिल्कुल ऐसे हैं कि we doesn't know actually what it is. Okay. Life has originated from the ocean that covers over 70% of source surface of earth and contains highly ecological chemical and biological diversity standing from the microorganism to the vertebrates है ना starting from microorganisms से लेके vertebrates तक की diversity रखते हैं. This diversity has been source of unique chemical compound which holds tremendous pharmaceutical potential. है ना इतने सारे यूनिक केमिकल कंपाउंड्स हमें मिलते हैं जो हम फार्मास्यूटिकल पोटेंशियल रखते हैं और which are being used because of highly chemical physical harsh condition in marine environment. The organism produce a variety of molecules with unique structural features and exhibit various type of biological activities है ना क्योंकि उनको बहुत harsh climate harsh condition से गुजरना है ना बहुत केमिकल कंडीशंस है फिजिकल कंडीशन जो आती है पूरा पूरा वेस्ट उनके पास जा रहा है ना और देन उनको उस कंडीशन में सर्वाइव करना है तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अडेप्टेशन दे मेक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ द सेल अंडरवेंट्स द प्रोसेस टू सर्वाइव ऐसा क्यों उनके पास चेंजेस आते हैं है ना और वो चेंजेस फॉर एग्जिस्टेंस के लिए जब वो दे मेक सर्टेन टाइप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स अपने आप को उस एनवायरनमेंट में बचाने के लिए है ना करंट वाले फिश भी है ना एक इतनी सारी मतलब एग्जिस्टेंस के लिए उनके पास बहुत कुछ है तो ऐसा क्या है जिसको हम यूज कर सकते हैं है ना यूनिक स्ट्रक्चरल फीचर्स हैं जो हम बायोलॉजिकल एक्टिविटी रहे जो हम यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर फार्मास्यूटिकल पर्पस. Majority of marine natural products have been isolated from sponges, colentrates like sea webs, sea fans, soft corals, tunicates, echinoderms like starfish, sea cucumber, etc., and bryozoans, which and wide variety of marine microorganisms in their tissues. Classification of marine organism. The enormous quantum newer and potent drug molecule derived from the wide spectrum of marine organisms across the world has been classified on the basis of the specific pharmacological action as stated. है ना तो on the basis of the type of pharmacological action जैसा वो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं उस हिसाब से अलग अलग मराइन ऑर्गेनिजम्स को भी क्लासिफाई किया गया है ऐसे एजेंट विच प्रोड्यूसेस साइटोटॉक्सिक और वी कैन से एंटी न्यूप्लास्टिक एजेंट cardiovascular effect, marine toxins, antimicrobial drugs, antibiotic substance, anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic agent, and बहुत सारी miscellaneous pharmacological active substance. The first is your antimicrobial. Zoranol and isozoranol. Biosource zoranol and isozoranol are both obtained from the uh, Dictopetris zonaroids, brown algae, chemistry, flavonoid, and used as antimicrobial. है ना तो हम जितने भी मराइन ड्रग्स पढ़ते हैं, देखोगे अभी आप सबके अंदर सेम सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट रिस्पॉन्सिबल है उस फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्टिविटी प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए, है ना। जैसे आपका ये ब्राउन एल्गे है, इसके अंदर आपको जो केमिकल कंपाउंड मिल रहा है दैट इज फ्लेवोनॉइड which is responsible for antimicrobial property. Next is tetrabromoheptanone. It is obtained from other species of Bomenosomenea hemnifera, red algae. Chemistry, it contains bromophenol compound and used as antimicrobial. 2-cyanophore-5 dibromopyrrole. It perhaps one of the rarest example of chemical entity isolated from the marine organism, which contain a cyno-functional group. Biological source, it is obtained from Ageless or Agellas orodoids, a specific type of sponge found in marine source as antimicrobial. Unicin, it is obtained from Gorgonon corals and Unicea memnosa. Chemistry, it contains diterpenes and used as chemical constant जो इसके अंदर वो diterpene है used as antimicrobial. Anti-cancer simularin, soft coral Sinularia phalabis. Chemistry, cambronoids, that is C14C cyclic diterpenoids with ecocyclic lactone and is used as anti-cancer agent. Asperidol, obtained from Gorgonian coral Unicea nighti. Chemistry, non-lactone cambronoid and used in leukemia. जर्नियल हाइड्रोक्विनोन, ये केमिकल बेसिक केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर ड्रग का नाम दिया जो हमें ऑब्टेन हो रहा है. एल्पीडियम स्पीशीज एंड it is chemistry, it is quinone and used as anti-cancer. Antibiotics, cyclodiodsamol, red algae, Chondria oppositellata, and it is a sesquiterpenoid and it is used as antibiotics. Variabilin, chemistry, furon ester terpene, used as antibiotic, Biasource sponge and Yersinia oros. Anticoagulant, these are the agent which are used to maintain the blood flow, or we can say it is doesn't allow the blood to coagulate. Microorganism, iridae laminoids, chemical compound galactaxin sulfuric acid, use anticoagulant. Organism is Codium fragile species of Leomentocytes associated with unknown plasma factor antithrombin activity, है ना. तो बहुत सारे ऐसे ऑर्गेनिजम्स है जिनके बारे में अब लेमनो लेमनेरोइड्स जो है ना, हम इरिडेट लेमनेरोइड्स भी हमें we are not able to understand what kind of organism it is, but see what kind of potent activities it possesses. उसके अंदर मेन केमिकल कंपाउंड है गैलेक्सटैन सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है, एंटी कोगुलेंट प्रॉपर्टी शो करता है. ऐसे आपका जो मेंटोसाइड है, लियोमेंटोसाइड, एक it is associated with unknown plasma factor, but it contain but used as anti thrombin activity, produces antithrombin activity. See fragile species of Atlanticum, high molecular weight proteoglycan, and it has a use of anticoagulant activity. Antiparasitic organisms with Dygenia simplex, red algae, chemical compound alpha cyanic acid used as broad spectrum anthelmintic, effective against parasitic roundworms and whipworms and tapeworm. Organism Lemniria augustella, lemnin, uses anthelmintic as well as smooth muscle relaxant hypotensive. So see, these are the different category of organisms and the different activity they produce. So we get so many variety of property of compound from the marine source which act as anticoagulant, antiparasitic, and hypertensive. Okay, hypotensive, this just like your Lemniria augustala. It has the smooth muscle relaxant and hypotensive property. Sea cucumber, sea cucumber is cucumbericide F, and it contains anti-protozoal property. Cardiovascular agent is found in the bronchial height of specific hawkfish, Iptera tratus stoti, and uses it is a potent cardiac stimulant with direct stimulant action on mammalian myocardium. Lemnin, obtained from the marine algae Lemnaria augustata, used as hypotensive agent. Anthopularis, Anthopularis biosource, it is obtained from the colentrates, Anthopluria xanthogrammica, and it is used as cardiotonic, 35 times more potent as compared to digitoxin. And digitoxin you get from Digitalis purpurea. Okay, and it is a cardiac glycoside. Marine toxins. So not only the drugs which are used for the benefit, there are a number of marine toxins you get from the marine source, like ciguatoxin. It is found in red tide, dinoflagellated, Gambia discus toxicus, toxic symptom, neurological, cardiovascular and GIT disorders. तो बहुत सारे टॉक्सिन्स भी मिलते हैं जो हमें प्लांट से मिलते हैं और ये इनमें कैपेसिटी है न्यूरोलॉजिकल, कार्डियोवास्कुलर, GIT डिसऑर्डर डेवलप करने की. दैट मीन्स जैसे हमने जैसे लास्ट क्लास में भी पढ़ा हुआ है कि वी डोंट, हमें सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि व्हाट प्लांट इज ओनली विल गिव यू, देयर इज नो साइड इफेक्ट ना. हमने अभी क्या पढ़ा था, रिसेंटली वी स्टडीड द टॉपिक. Can anybody tell me? We studied the topic that yes, plant can be, they also produce a side effect. So we cannot like we cannot take any plant any time and say okay this is fine. This is not going to do anything. So they are toxic as well. So can you give me, one of you, can you tell me the name of the topic we studied later? Please unmute yourself and answer me this question. Any one of you? Yes, please.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
I asked you, we have studied one of the topic that that then there are a number of plant species which are toxic, which are like harmful to us. We have to be very careful before we take any medicinal plant. We have to be careful because there are a number of plants which causes which is going to harm you. So what was the topic we studied, and can you give me the example of any of the plant which we have to be taken very carefully? Nobody remember? Nobody remembers? Acha, give me the example of plant. See, everybody, normally we say no, this like herbs doesn't have any side effect, but there are a number of side effects which herb can produce. We recently studied. So can any one of you give me the example of some plants which any plant which we have to be careful before using it. Nobody? Nobody wants to attempt this question? Chalo, let's move ahead. Then we'll discuss this. And I was expecting answer from you because we have recently studied that topic and we have seen some examples. So biosource, it is platytoxin, palytoxin. It is present in Palithoa species, and toxic symptoms on coronary arteries. It can constrict the coronary artery. Next example, antispasmodic agent. Spasm is which increases the which increases the your spasma movement, which creates the increase the paralysis. It's called spasm. So L-gelside A, source obtained from Okinia sea sponge, and it is the L-gelside A is the first marine natural product containing guanine and sulfone unit, and it has antispasmodic agent. That means अगर बहुत ज़्यादा peristalsis movement हो रहा है जिसकी वजह से आपको हम मेप्टाल पी लेते हैं, है ना। मेप्टाल पी बहुत कॉमन है, जो स्पाज्म को कम करता है, मरोड़ को कम करता है। तो ये बहुत अच्छी एनाल्जेस एजिलिसाइडीन है, जो हमें स्पॉन्ज से मिलता है। एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी एजेंट बायोइंडोल, Biaso is obtained from the marine cyanobacterium regularifirma, and it is used. It contains bioindole derivatives, which has the anti-inflammatory property. Butanoloid. It is obtained from the marine Euplexia flava. Contain butanoloid derivative and use an anti-inflammatory agent. So these are the questions which normally ask on marine pharmacognosy, that would define marine. This is what it actually comes in exam on. Particularly this is the topic you're supposed to prepare like this, that define marine pharmacognosy. What are anti-cancer drugs derived from marine pharmacognosy, marine source, antimicrobial drugs derived from marine origin, classify marine drugs sources, source of drug with example, cardiovascular drugs of marine source, marine derived antibiotics, marine toxins, anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic agent of marine origin. So this is the topic for marine topic. So thank you for joining me today, and stop recording, and we can continue with the discussion part.